In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Calendly timezone problem. If you've ever found yourself missing appointments or confusing schedules because of incorrect time zone settings in Calendly, you're not alone. Thankfully, resolving this issue is straightforward and will take only a few minutes. Let's dive right in and get your calendar back on track. First, open up your web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once the page has loaded, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the login button. Click on this button to enter the login page. Now, input your email address in the provided box and click the continue button. This will prompt the password entry screen. Proceed by entering your password, which will grant you access to your Calendly account after you click continue once more. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to your Calendly homepage. This is where all your events and scheduling preferences are managed. Look for your profile icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see several options. Select all settings from this menu. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the section labeled time zone. This is a crucial step, as the correct time zone ensures your appointments reflect the actual times you're available or busy. Now, you'll want to look at the current time zone setting. If it is incorrect, you will need to change it. Click on the drop-down list beside the current zone to reveal all possible time zone options. Carefully select the time zone that matches your location. If you're unsure of your time zone, checking your device's settings or a quick online search can confirm your correct time zone. Once you have selected the correct time zone, ensure everything looks accurate. Before finishing up, there is one final essential step: saving your changes. Look for a button in this section labeled Save Changes and click on it. By doing this, you are confirming your selections and ensuring all future appointments will be accurately scheduled according to your specified time zone. And there you have it. You've successfully resolved the Calendly time zone issue. Now all your scheduled events should appear at the correct times, and you can avoid any future scheduling confusion. Thanks for watching and taking the time to learn something new today. If this guide was helpful, be sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and helpful technology tutorials. Until next time, happy scheduling.